company is called SOS Security, which is abbreviated from Secure On-Site Security, and we offer bespoke security services and bespoke cleaning services. So today we're recruiting for a number of roles, mainly security roles, cleaning roles, and a mixture of waking watch, which is also like fire marshal roles. So the difficulties we face in recruiting is just reaching out to different boroughs and getting the best candidates from each boroughs. Yeah, that is the biggest challenge we face at the minute. So Ingeus help us by publicising all our jobs throughout their different centres across London, and then reaching out to different advisors, putting the best candidates forward before we actually interview them and bring them on board. The reason why I would advise other companies to get on board and work with Ingeus is they're very personable. So if you need anything, they're always there to help you. It's easy to get information across and get information back. And yeah, they're very keen to help and get people back into work and assist our employees as well.